In this video, I will show you how to update DaVinci Resolve safely. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve. Before you update, it is highly recommended to back up your projects because you might lose them during the update. To do that, right-click on any project and select Export Archive. Then choose a location where you want to save it and click Save. Now open a new project in DaVinci Resolve. When you open it, you should automatically see an update prompt if an update is available. But if you do not see the prompt, do not worry. Go to the top menu bar and click on DaVinci Resolve. Then click on Check for Updates. DaVinci Resolve will check for any available updates. If an update is available, you will see a message. Click on Download and it will open a web page where the download will start. Wait for the download to finish and then find the downloaded zip file. Right-click on the zip file and extract it. After it is extracted, open the folder and run the installer. This process may take a little time. When the installer starts, just click Install and the new version will be installed. Once it is done, open DaVinci Resolve. If you do not see your project, right-click anywhere and click on Import Project Archive. Find the archive file that you saved earlier and open it. That is how you update DaVinci Resolve without losing any data.